Hey everyone, this is Alicia and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing swatches of the Makeup Revolution in Tammy Tropical Twilight eyeshadow palette. The palette retails for $25 and is available on the Makeup Revolution website, and it'll be in Ulta Beauty in a couple of months. The palette features 28 shades that are a mix of 14 mattes, 7 shimmers, 3 pressed glitters, and 4 metallics. This palette also features a massive mirror. I'm also going to show it compared in size to the original Jaclyn Hill and Morphe and James Charles and Morphe palettes so that you can get an idea of how big it is. So if you would like to see swatches of this palette, just keep on watching. Just so that this video isn't really long, I won't be giving you any shade descriptions. I'll just be giving you my thoughts on the palette as I'm doing the swatches. I'm using my e.l.f. contour brush to do the swatches, and I did not apply a base or primer beforehand. I'm starting with the first row going left to right. The majority of the shades in this palette had really good pigmentation, but there were some that I honestly wasn't impressed with. All the matte shades had slight fallout, built up beautifully, and the shimmer shades are pretty, had slight fallout and built up so-so. I'm actually surprised the shimmer shades had any fallout at all because they're the same consistency of the ColourPop Super Shock shadows. The shimmers are best applied with your finger or a wet packing brush to get the most in-your-face payoff. This is the third palette that Tammy has come out with, and I think it pairs perfectly with the second palette, which is the Tropical Carnival palette. My only gripe is that I wish that this palette didn't have the two purples, but instead swapped out one of them for a really deep purple matte, and that Horizon was a deep crimson red shade instead of what it actually is. Other than that, I definitely think the palette is worth the money because it is absolutely beautiful. I do want to take the time to mention that there are 11 shades not intended for the immediate eye area, and those shades are Sundown, Horizon, Sunset, Firefly, Afterglow, Sunrise, True Love, Twilight, Starlight, Cocktails, and Eclipse. So, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as to turn on your notifications, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye.